Many people do not want renewable energy projects near their home. And we can understand. This is a video where some things will be told that might surprise you, whether you're against renewable energy or in favor of it. And this, despite the fact it was made by ACCIONA Energía, a renewable energy company. Although renewable energy generates little waste, almost all of which is recycled, its installations are highly visible. Wind turbines don't take up much space, typically less than a 2-car garage, but they are tall, and they can be seen from afar. At ACCIONA Energía, we always try to place them in areas of lower visibility, but still, they will be seen, even if just a little. Solar plants are short, but they take up more space. They can also be hidden, and in fact, we try to do this by planting local vegetation to conceal them. But we will never manage to make them invisible. Our first requirement is respect for nature. We avoid areas with a high ecological value, install systems that protect animals, relocate burrows and vegetation from the construction area to other locations. If a project has a significant impact on nature, we simply do not build it. But no matter what we do, nothing can hide the fact that there's going to be a facility, where there was none before. No matter how perfect the installation, the area will not be the same as it was before. It may be almost the same. Almost. So why would anyone want a renewable project near their house? Well, what if, instead of leaving the area almost the same as it was before, the projects left your town better than it was before? Although it may seem like a publicity stunt, this is indeed possible. And at ACCIONA Energía, we have evidence of this. At ACCIONA Energía, we start by meeting residents, local organizations, traditional owners and First Nations, and community members. Together, we assess the needs and expectations of the people represented in the area. It might be better connectivity or improved roads. Maybe it could be a visitor center because the town has the potential to become a tourist destination but never had the necessary funding. Or could also be groups that need special attention, such as the elderly or the students. Who drives these initiatives? The plant makes them possible. We start by creating the project, with all guarantees and hiring workers and businesses from the area. But here comes the difference. From the moment a project is confirmed, even before construction begins, we work with the community to define the initiatives that would generate the greatest impact. And once the construction of the plant is completed, its contributions provide municipalities with resources to invest in the well-being of their citizens. And you know what? It's working. All around the world, we are helping hundreds of municipalities improve their infrastructure, create local jobs, attract tourism, and prepare the next generation for success. With projects that respect the environment, that listen to the community, that contribute just like any other neighbor, that become an engine for positive change, and make your town better than it was before.